right, so go ahead and introduce yourself, man.
What's going on, man? It's JC, 2J's Kings from Urban Necessities.
So first question is, do you consider yourself a sneakerhead?
Yeah, 100%, bro.
100%.
I love chasing GRs just as much as I like chasing all the stuff you don't see every day, man.
Good. So what sneakers you rocking with?
Lately I've been wearing a lot of New Balance. I know that ain't what I got on my feet right now, but I got a feeling like New Balance is gonna be really hot for the next year or so, okay. With some of their upcoming releases, and they're very comfortable. So I've been wearing a lot of New Balances lately.
Thank you.
Yo, what's going on, my fine people? How y'all doing today? Unboxing today, man. Just got back in from picking up the kid from work. But today's not about the kid. Today is about something that's kind of popular and like upcoming and rising. It's not exactly as the other brands. Let's be honest, bro. I hate to say it. Nike, they even said it like Nike is kind of like, I won't say falling off, but it's like they losing money, and it's like they're trying to reinvent stuff going on within the sneaker community. I pray one day Nike will be back at the top, but right now it seems like other brands are climbing up there, like New Balances, Asics, just a bunch of other brands. Man, they're doing different stuff, like especially with Joe Fresh Goods and damn, who Asics collab with? Y'all comment down below. Who Asics collab with? I forget, but I know New Balance and Asics is probably coming up here. So even with that being said, I do have these came out today. The Jumpman Jacks Fire shoe. Travis Scott birthday today. Happy birthday to Travis. Fire shoe. It wasn't too many people posting about the shoe. There was, but there wasn't. I'm talking about as far as availability about this shoe. I had to hit up my man Travis Paradise on Instagram. Shout out to you, bro. He was just telling me Wish ATL was doing a raffle, and then all of a sudden in the my year Discord, or the Woodtaker Discord, they posted that they was doing, I want to say they was doing like first come first serve. And when I seen that, bro, I was hurt, bro. I was trying to come up with all type of ideas, like, man, maybe I could sell this shoe, and then get up there. Maybe I should have done that, but I was like, man, by the time I do that, I doubted myself. I ain't gonna lie, I doubted myself. And that's probably what hurted me. But I was like, man, by the time I've been made all my moves and made it up to A1 my year or social status, my size will be gone, or it'll run out of sizes, man. So I should have did more due diligence. Usually I'm on point, but the shoes I'm really looking forward to this month, in the month of May. Well, I guess it's still April, but probably when you see this will be the month of May. The shoes I'm looking forward to are the Industrial Blue 4s. I'm gonna try to get those for retail. And the Air Jordan Space Jam lows. Oh my God, if I could have those, bro. But let's cut on to this, the purpose of this video. I just had to get that out of the way. So I bought an Asics, right, for my sister. I would like to say it's a Mother's Day gift, but she was asking me way before Mother's Day to get her some shoes. I bought my niece some shoes, her daughter. So I guess it's time to buy her some shoes. You know, just spreading the love throughout the fam. Get gifts for the fam. I guess. So alright, sorry about that. My camera, man, my GoPro 7 been acting crazy lately. Alright, so to a sneaker reseller or just like a hype beast, these qualify as bricks. But my thing is, I was thinking earlier today, like, if you like what you like, don't let that terminology deter you from buying what you like. Like, if you like something, bro, and you see it, and it's manageable for your bank account, or it's manageable for you to get it, and it's, you know what I'm saying, even more reason, because they call it bricks, because it's more affordable, and it look cool, don't let that stuff stop you, bro. Like, don't let people saying negative things stop you from getting what you want. All them bricks, I don't want those. Bruh, if you like something, bro, if you like it, you like it. Just go ahead and buy it. So with that segue, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the shoe. And which way is the front? All right, so it arrived on my doorstep, just like this. I ain't gonna say no names, but we're gonna easy open. I guess he did have to work for my unboxing, or whoever did have to work for my unboxing. So open this up. So I did get these from StockX. Shout out StockX. But you know, StockX kind of got that. I want to say like bad rep, but they do got a certain like kind of like history of what people been saying. I'm just double back and just not going on what I said. But it's been true. It's been true. So I am going to get these legit shapes. These did come from overseas, so I just feel more secure for myself if I go get these legit checks. So yeah, I make sure to stay tuned for the whole video, because this part probably won't take that long. I'm going to take these to a couple stores just like I did in the vlog. The last vlog with my Air Jordan 7, or my Air Jordan 1s. Let me just go get them legit shirt. Oh, excuse me, stomach. I want to, get my eyes on. But that is the receipt. So remember StockX used to send stickers. Remember GOAT used to send the little wrapping paper around the shoe. Alright, so size 4 US. She is small feet, as you can see. Asics black and white. This is GEL 1130. So these supposed to be the Asics Aquas. Go ahead and show you guys. Okay. See, man, I like these, bro. Don't let that word brick stop you from doing what you gotta do. I mean, buying what you like. Look at that. That's dope, bro. In hand, these smooth. Little sis got taste. I feel you. She picked these out, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Confirm, StockX tag. To be honest, I like to shop on GOAT, but I mean, for the higher price, for like a $10, $20, $30 price hike compared to StockX, I feel more comfortable buying on GOAT because I know they got that better reputation. Even though both GOAT and StockX sell, you know, stuff to get through there, bro. I'm just saying. Everything ain't 100%. Nobody's perfect. No company's perfect. But these are the Asics joints. I don't know how you review them. You know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't gonna say I don't know how to review them. I'm gonna just show them to you because I don't know what's going on with this shoe. I just know it got a lot of mesh in it. It's kind of, this is actually kind of dope. They got gel in the back. You can see that real close. Try to hurry up for my camera cut off. This where the black part come from. Yeah, these are hard. No lie, these are hard. Got the Asics symbol on there, bad boy. Get real close. Try to get you both shoes. All right, so this might be a 2-day video. I'm gonna put it all in one. You will see these again. I'm going to get these legit checked. From my knowledge, from what I see, I never like had an Asics. This may be the first Asics that I reviewed on my channel. There's a lot of first reviews like Yeezys going on my channel. It's a lot of just first timers on my channel, like not just Jordans, you know what I mean? Like, that's a good thing though. I'm branching out. Diversify. What are you talking about? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these legit checked. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these legit checked, and I see y'all on the second half of this video. This is the shoe though. Shout out little sis, love you sis, from the bottom of my heart. These will be at your doorstep pretty soon by the time you're watching this video. Yeah, we'll see y'all on the streets, man. I'm gonna have on different clothing because the legit check is gonna be tomorrow because I gotta go to work. It'll take us some minutes. Gotta go do stuff. So we're gonna legit check these tomorrow. Keep saying the word legit check. And if they're cool, by the time the video over with, we're gonna be at UPS shipping these bad boys out. So I'll get up with y'all later, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna even say peace to y'all because it's gonna continue on. So let's go.
Sitting in the studio thinking about which move will go right now. Freestyle or write down, whatever. And still it come up clever. I just need to free my thoughts, and Lord knows that I know better. But I ain't perfect. I ain't seen too many churches or know them Testament verses. You should either hear me now or go deaf, or end up dead, die trying and no death. Might end up dead, swallow blood, swallow my breath. Fuck a funeral, just make sure you pay my music respect, nigga. I mean that from the bottom of my heart.
Alright, so we slid up to Good Times ATL. They just legit checked them. They said they Gucci. What I didn't know is if you put like the black light on the STOCKX tag and they got the X on there, like throughout the black light, then you all good. But he looked at him. He said he just came out, so there shouldn't be too many face coming out. So shout out Good Times. All right, so I already went to Good Times, right?
Yeah.
They told me one thing. I want to see what you say. Just get a second opinion or whatever.
Good Times told you something already?
Yeah, they told me something. I want to see if you said the same thing. There's one thing they checked, and I'm gonna give you a little pointer. It was with the light on something.
Smell good.
It's right. It do smell good, though. But the reason why I want to get a legit check, I think they cool, bro. I just, they came with StockX, and there you go. You did it. There you go. You did it. That right there. Yeah.
I mean, I'll be honest with you, that don't mean they real. That just mean they came directly from StockX. This just mean they came from StockX. That don't mean StockX ain't selling you a fake shoe.
Yeah. But they did come from overseas or whatever.
Sometimes this people don't glow up. That just means they fake and they didn't come from StockX. But StockX has been known to.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
But I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be hard to find. Like, they ain't gonna really make too many fake pairs of these, though, honestly.
But you know what one of the dudes said up there? He was like, he know a dude that, it's gonna be popping out fake X. Yeah.
They probably do, but it's probably more like I know they got some version of the Asics that kind of up there in value, like expensive as fuck. They probably more of them pairs. I don't see no stamps or nothing on them.
So we good?
Yeah.
All right, that's a Good Time sale, bro. That's exactly what Good Time
You
said.
can really tell, but you can just smell them.
And then
They smell like they came from a real factory, like an Asics factory. You don't smell like no, because with the fake ones, man, it's like a real, like the smell, it'd be like a real bad glue smell.
Yeah.
He good.
Shout out the stuff on me real quick, bro. Shout out the store. Tell them where we at.
Yeah, come holler at me, man. 4550 Jonesboro Road, Union City, 0291 Union City Kroger Plaza, man. Y'all come holler at me, bro.
Soul Flex, right?
Soul Flex. ATL. Soul Flex ATL on IG.
All right, for sure. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, dog.
Yeah, thanks.
iPhone. I swear to God, most of y'all cats just don't know country. You barely know yourself, so I guess most of y'all should be offended. Ain't doing this for my health. I'm trying to purchase my mama them business. Occupying my time with riches.